Hey guys, in this level we are going to see two levels, that is two levels I created using the existing prefabs. So that's the thing that we are going to see in this video tutorial. There is nothing much technical. So before seeing that, in player script I introduced a function called onDestroy. So this destroy method will be called by Unity game engine, and I have here unsubscribe to events where I am unsubscribing on fade in complete on level and reach. So I am unsubscribing this function from fade screen. Okay, so this is the only change. So why we do this is whenever level is whenever you reach the end of the level, this function will be called, and we are subscribing to fade screen this function. Okay, and once the fade in is completed, we will load the next level. But if you see here, we are not unsubscribing this function once this is called. Okay, so that's the reason we do it on destroy method. So our scenario will be something like this. In each level we will have uh, individual player objects, meaning the player object is not a singleton class. So for each level you have one player game object. So if you don't unsubscribe in on destroy method, what happens is, assume you have two levels. In the first level, when you reach the end of the level, this method will be subscribed on fade incomplete, this will be subscribed. Okay, and assume I am not going to unsubscribe. So let me show you what happens here. So these are all the two levels I created using this two prefabs. So let me maximize it. Let me show you how it happens. By the way, okay, fine, it is not commented. Let me comment it out. Okay, so what we do here is, we are okay, instead of showing it I will explain it, that would be far better. So in the first level, when you reach the end of level, this function will be called, and you will be subscribing to fade screen this function. And at the end of the level, end of first level, it will disable the camera, it will disable level colliders, and it will load the next level. So now everything will be fine. Now you are going for a second level, and at the end of second level, when you reach the end of the second level, again reached level in end will be called. And for fade in complete event, what you do is, you are again registering one more function on fade in complete on level and reached. So this function, whatever you are going to register, that will be on level 2 player game object. So once the fade in is complete, this fade screen will try to send a message to two game objects, that is a player from level 1 game object and player from level 2 game object. Since we have level 2 player game object present, because we are currently playing the level 2, this method will be called, but level 1 is already destroyed and its player is no more. So when it tries to call the level 1 player game object function, it will have a null reference and it will throw an error. So this is what happens if you don't unsubscribe. So it's your responsibility to unsubscribe. So let me play the level for you guys. Okay, I commented it now, I explained it, but let me show you in action. So this is the level that I created. So you can jump. Don't worry about this diamond shape, this has nothing to do with our any interaction, that is just for visualization purpose. Okay, so we are reaching the level end, and second level is loaded. So let's jump, it's working properly, and again jump. You see the slanted platform here, and let's jump up, again jump up and come down. One more area is here, jump up. So you see the slanted platform here. Ooh, that's it. Okay, now let me pause it. We are nearer to the end of the level. Leave this assertion, and when I reach now, you will get an error message. You see null reference exception, object not set to end. So player dot on fade in complete reached. So this method, when it tries to invoke from fade screen, it's not there because we have not because we don't have that game object. So it's your responsibility to unsubscribe to this function, otherwise whenever you navigate to a new level you will get this null reference exception. So that's it, now we have this. So let's play the game now. Okay, anyway I showed you, let me go faster. So all these things are created using two prefabs, that is our traversable area collider and slanted platform prefab. So this is a platform. So now the player is able to move everywhere, and this diamond shape, this is completely for visualization point of view. Okay, so don't worry about it. I made everything black so that it represents yin yang symbol color. So yin yang is mix of black and white, so I made level also as black and white. Okay, so we have this slanted platform, this is there, and go to the level end. I don't think so we will get the error. Let's clear out the error, let's jump. That's it. We got one error, but that is not related to that null reference. It's a Unity runtime editor error. Okay, so that's it. And now no levels are there. So what happened here is I added two levels in the build settings, that is level 1 and level 2. So whenever I reach the end of the first level, the next level will be loaded, and when I reach the end of the second level, there is no level, that is it is not possible to load the next level because in build settings we added only two levels. So that's all guys. With these pieces I was able to create this much, and that player is able to traverse on the slanted platform as well as on the straight platform. And now you can create with these two platforms, with these two prefabs, you can create some wonderful levels. If you have seen now, the gameplay was around 15 seconds. Okay, so this thing was possible only with these two prefabs on, and by this player script whatever we learned till now. So what I did here is I created a project of this. I made this whole project, and I created a GitHub link, and that link is in the description below. So please check out the GitHub project and download it and play with it. And you see one folder called Foundation. This has all the scenes that relates to basics. Initially I was teaching about vector addition, normalization, event test, delegates, all these things I kept it in the foundation folder. Anyway, this is not needed, this is not a part of the project, but still I was thinking why not to keep it. Okay, so you will be easily able to catch up with those previous video tutorial. So please check the link and download the project and let me know what you guys think. And this completes our circle. So now we are having start level end, and we are able to create a gameplay for 15 seconds. Even you guys can create more levels like this. So this is just a sample. We will be creating more features. Now the level is completely plain. we don't have any enemies or hurdles or challenges, so it is kind of boring. Maybe for 10 seconds it's interesting, after that it's getting bored. So in future video tutorial I will add enemies and I will make the level interesting. So that's all guys. Again, if any of you guys have comments or suggestion or something is not understandable, please let me know. And one more thing, this completes the first series. Okay, so if you guys like all the videos till now, whatever tutorial we saw till now, if you guys this series, please put it in the comment section below, or if you guys have any complaints also, please let me know, because this helps me to understand whether people really like my tutorial or not. So that's the only request I ask from to all of you guys. Okay, so please download the link guys. Thank you. I will catch up all of you guys in the future video tutorial. Bye.